Channel 4 News, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
5:37 now on this Friday morning. We have made it to the end of the work week, heading into a big weekend, crowded weekend across the mid-state, both in Manchester for Bonnaroo and obviously downtown for CMA Fest, and it is going to be hot. Always seems to be that way. Either it's hot or it's stormy, although that's kind of typical for Middle Tennessee all summer. Temperatures are going to be well into the 90s today. The humidity not too bad yet today, and this forecast goes for both Nashville and Manchester. Very little difference in the temperatures and rain chances between the two locations for the next 3 days. Hottest weather will be tomorrow, although we'll be close on Sunday. The humidity starts creeping up tomorrow. It'll just be here on Sunday, and that means a slight chance of an isolated storm. Between the two locations, Manchester probably has the slightly better chance of an isolated storm Sunday afternoon, but more concerned about the heat and humidity as opposed to the storm chances. Temperatures this morning are starting off cool enough that we've seen some fog developing in eastern Middle Tennessee. Some of the typical valley locations beginning with some 1 mile visibility, which isn't too bad, shouldn't slow you down a whole lot on the way in. Looking at a nice sunrise over downtown Nashville right now. The sun is up. It's been up for about 8 minutes now at this point. A little bit of fog in the distance, but that will disperse very quickly this morning as the sun warms up the atmosphere, which it will do. Right now we're in the mid to upper 50s to low 60s, which is pretty nice for early to mid-June. 61 in Nashville, 63 in Hopkinsville. Those are the warm spots. 53 right now in Cookeville, but a big warm up in store for us today, just jumping by leaps and bounds over the next several hours, all the way up to the mid to upper 80s to even 90 by noon, and then into the mid 90s for high temperatures this afternoon in Nashville, low 90s in more rural areas. That is hot though. It's not record setting, but it is way above average, and we're going to continue the heat all the way into early next week. By next week, we'll see a better chance of scattered thunderstorms paying us a visit Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that will at least drop temperatures a tiny bit. We'll keep you updated on the heat and humidity throughout the weekend here on Channel 4, online, and on the iHeart radio stations as well. Melanie?